On your marks, get set, go. And it's it's the race between Eve and Steve.
No, Steve.
Come on, Steve.
Steve's getting it. Eve got better.
To all our watchers online. To all our watchers online, these two are trying to get into this single port here, and they are, yes,
confusing.
rather confused.
Steve's got it. Look, Steve's got it.
Come on, come on, Eve.
Steve's lining up. Steve's lining up the fight.
Wait, I think Eve is getting.
Oh.
Eve is on a roll.
Oh no, Steve, come on.
And there's Steve right at the back.
Oh,
Oh, it's agonizingly close. They are so dumb.
I think Eve's got it.
Yeah, Eve probably does, because she's boxing him out. Look, she's boxing him out.
Look at the moves. Why don't hit things? No, she's got it. She's lining up the final approach.
Is Eve going to make it? Yep, she's in the zone. And Steve, what is he even doing? And Eve is going for, like, she's going to dock.
Yeah, woo!
And we have...
Oh, she didn't get contact.
Oh, failure.
She's coming up for a second shot. Oh.
And Steve is going in.
She's trying again. She's trying again.
Come on, come on.
He's ramming.
He really wants this.